My dear student, today topic is mutations. First, the question arises, what is mutations? Mutation means there is change in gene and chromosome. Change in gene and chromosome is called mutations. Mutation is generally categorized into three different types, that is genomic mutation, chromosomal mutations and gene mutations. In some book the mutations also mention two types, chromosomal gene. In that case genomic and chromosomes are categorized into one, that is chromosomal. Here we elaborate this in three different kinds. First one is genomic mutations. Genomic means there is change in set of chromosomes. Change in set of chromosomes. And it is categorized into two types, that is aneuploidy and euploidy. Now the question arises, what is aneuploidy? Aneuploidy means the change in chromosome number. Chromosome number. It is again categorized into two types, that is hypoploidy. The second one is hyperploidy. In hypoploidy, what happens? The chromosome number reduced. In hyperploidy, the chromosome number increased. Again, the hypoploidy two types. That is monosomy and the second one is nolisomy. And hyperploidy, it is two types, trisomy, tetrasomy. Monosomy means here chromosome number is 2n minus 1 in monosomy. Nolisomy, it is 2n minus 2. That means in case of human being, the monosomy will be 46 minus 1, that is 45. In human case, nolisomy is not generally formed. Trisomy, that is 2n plus 1, that means 47 chromosome. Here 2n plus 2. Hypoploidy, reducing chromosome number either 1 or 2. Okay. In hyperploidy, more chromosomes. Euploidy, here there is change in set of chromosome. And it is categorized into three different type. That is haploidy, diploidy, polyploidy. Here the polyploidy is the mutation categories. Haploidy means n. Diploidy means 2n. More than 2n, there is polyploidy. Polyploidy, again categorized into two different types: autopolyploidy and allopolyploidy. Polyploidy generally occurs in plants. Autopolyploidy. Autopolyploidy, how it is formed? It can be produced artificially by the use of chemical substance colchicine. And it prevents the cell divisions by by targeting the metaphase, so the separation does not take place. So the chromosome number will be doubled. Suppose this is AA, this is AA. In general case, this AA separated gamete A single A is produced, single A produced, and they fused double A. But after the application of colchicine, what happens? The gamete will itself double A, and this one is also double A. There is no separations, and when they bind, this happens doubling. That is autopolyploidy. Similarly, allopolyploidy. It is also application of colchicine, but in different way. Suppose one is capital A, and another is capital B, different set, and its gamete is A, it is B. When they fused, that is AB. In the next division, if the colchicine is added, what happens? A becomes double, capital A. This is called alloploidy. This type of formation is called allo, and this type of formation is called autopolyploidy. The next one is chromosomal mutations. Here the first one is deletions. Small segment deleted from the chromosome, that is called deletions. Then duplications. When there is doubling of the one segment, suppose this segment become double and produce this one. AB. This is called duplications. Inversion means the segment AB become reversed. BA, whether it is contains centromere and paracentric or pericentric. Two types. One is paracentric, the second one is pericentric, on the basis of presence or absence of centromere in the inverted segment. Translocations. When small segment deleted from one chromosome and attached to the another chromosome, removed from one chromosome and attached to the another chromosome, is called translocations. The next one is gene mutation or point mutations. It is two types: base substitutions, frame shift mutations. Base substitution means when the base is replaced by the another one. It is two types, that is Number one, transition. Number two, transversion. When purine is replaced by purine and pyrimidine is replaced by pyrimidine, then it is called transitions. And when purine is replaced by pyrimidine and vice versa, then it is called transversion. Purine by purine and pyrimidine by pyrimidine, that is transition. Transversion, purine is replaced by pyrimidine. Again, the base substitutions, different kinds. Number one, missense mutations. Number two, silent mutations. Number three, nonsense mutations. Nonsense mutations. What is missense mutations? When there is change in base, nitrogenous base, and causes the formation of new amino acids. Formation of new amino acid. Then it's called missense. And the substitution in which there is no change in character, that is called silent mutations. And the substitutions, there is no protein synthesis due to the presence of nonsense codon, then it is called nonsense mutations. Missense, silent, nonsense. Formation of new amino acids, no change in character, silent, nonsense. There is no synthesis of proteins. Here in frame shift mutations was one nitrogenous base is either substituted or deleted, then it is called frame shift mutations. In this way, the mutation is categorized. Okay. Next, the mutagens. The substance which causes mutations are called mutagens. Mutagens are different types like physical mutagens, chemical mutagens, and biological mutagens. Physical mutagens, what are they? First, temperature. Second one is radiations. Chemical mutagens, nitrous acid, mustard gas, acridine, biological transpositions, insertional segment, physical mutations. In physical mutations, first one temperature also responsible. Then the main factor is radiations. The radiations, ionizing, non-ionizing. These are also responsible for this mutations. Nitrous acids, mustard gas, acridine. Nitrous acid is responsible to prevent DNA replications. Acridine also helps in the formation of dimer, pyrimidine dimer, and that also inhibit DNA replication and responsible for mutations. So that one. In chemical mutation, there is another substance that is base analog. Base analog. Base analog. It is another kind of chemical mutations that can be synthetic type or natural type. Synthetic type 5-bromouracil. And natural type, different types: 5-methyl cytosine. These are the natural, this is the synthetic or artificial. Okay, so these mutagens are responsible for mutations, and the mutation causes different kind of disorder like autosomal disorder, sex-linked disorders. And in the next video we'll study about disorders like autosomal and sex-linked disorder. This is in the next video. Thank you for listening. Please like and subscribe and bell the icon. Thank you.